listen to this part. Can I start asking questions? Yes, so I'll start asking questions. So get ready to answer questions. If you really don't need help, then you say, teacher, I understand. Then I'll just skip you, and then we will just move on. But those who don't understand, answer the question together. So let's start. Chloe, first one. I start by solving linear. Linear means x to the power of 1. Okay, so I go through the idea first. The idea here. Solving linear equation we cover in set 1. So this one looks something like that. So 5x plus 4 equals to 0. May I ask who cannot solve this type of question? Cannot. So I'm asking you, solving means I want to find out what is the x. So the final answer is x equals to something. No, different. It's different. This one okay. So I want to find x equals to something. So both sides must minus 4. Both sides must divide 5. And hence the answer is done. Is that okay? Can, Now, number 2. Now, solving quadratic equation is what we learned in Sec 2. So, okay, may I have a show of hands? How many are having problem with this worksheet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'll be looking at this area and some of this area. So let's start. Solving quadratic equation. Then those hands up one, you may want to take down this already. Can you write down? This is actually x squared. So I start with something. I show you a few variation on how to do. So can I present to you the first variation? The first variation looks something like that. Let's say I got 2x squared is equals to 6. 32. Now, is it easy to solve this type of question? So, Hadi, what will I do? Danish, you know the answer already? Yes. What will you do? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So, divide by 2, I will have x squared is equals to 16. Just now Morgan's mentioned x is equals to 4. The answer is wrong. What should the answer be? Plus minus 4. So, how do I solve for x? What must I do? Square root. So x will be equals to plus minus 4 as in square root. So everyone clear about the first type? Yes, Now the second type. Now, shh, please remain quiet. Now, so the first type is only x squared. The second type, I got some x squared, I got some x here. So what should I do? The f word. I need to factorize, right? So I need to factorize the x out. Shh, Jaren. Some of you are just talking about something else. If you know it, then you will want to remain quiet so that your friends, give them one more chance to learn. So factorize means I will take out the x. So take out the x, what do I have left? X plus 4 is equals to 0. Now, so over here, we mentioned the other time. When something times something equals to 0, what can I conclude? Either the first one is 0 or the second one is equals to 0. Now, okay, so I write first. Not done yet. Now, who is stuck about this step? Who is like confused, like cannot take it already? Like, please kill me. Cannot already. Cannot already. So, so, so to answer this question, then I got to ask you, if I tell you two numbers, alright, Yuan, two numbers multiply to get 0, you can make a prediction. A must be equal to 0 or B must be equal to 0. So this is like the same thing. So do you understand why already? So all is okay. But can I hashtag here? Is this the final answer, Daryl? This is not the final answer. So the final answer will be x is equal to minus 4. All okay with this? All okay with this? Not okay with this or not okay with this? The bottom one. The top one. Cannot. So you look at this. This is like something times something is equal to 0. When you have two things multiplied to be 0, you can conclude that the first one is equal to 0 or the second bracket equals to 0. Just like A times B equals to 0, you can say A must be 0 or B must be 0. Can you link these two together? Huh? This one. This one. This one is because x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is actually a linear equation. Linear equation means I just have to subtract 4 both sides, right? To find out what is x. I want to find out what is x. Can follow? Can follow? Can, huh? Alright, I'm going to show you scenario 3. Scenario 3 is something like this. Okay? But scenario 3, I need everyone's attention. So can everyone look up at this? Because I'm going to finally tell you how to play cheat. Remember the play cheat idea that some of you learned somewhere else. So I'm going to explain to you how is it done. So everyone please look up. Last one to look up is Ashraf. Here. Alright, please, this part is important because this is the part where you use calculator can get the answer. Now, here, this and part 2 is different. What is the difference? Can someone tell me the difference? Very good. Do you hear that? Can someone repeat what your friend mentioned? Cannot factorize. Can you write down? Can you write down? Over here in red, you realize that you cannot factorize. And when you cannot factorize, you realize that you have to depend on this illegal method called cross method. Illegal method because the cross method don't even make sense. The cross method involving something like that, then something like that. Then the final answer looks like what? I have what? I have 2 bracket equals to 0. And how many of you don't like this method? Huh? All like ah? Wow, so honest. Huh? So flattering. So all of you like this method, right? But you realize that when you do this method, only one honest person here. When you do this method, you realize that sometimes the minus keep getting wrong, right? Or the number keep getting wrong, right? So there is actually a shortcut to do it. We call it the mode 3-3 method. So can I introduce to you the mode 3-3 method? Now, the next part is important. So please listen. Now, I'm going to go through 2 calculator model. The first model is Sharp. The second model is Casio. So the Casio method first. Now Casio, all Casio users, can you raise our hand? Right, hands down. Can you press your calculator mode 3-3? Now, shh, mode 3-3. Shh, I don't understand why I hear people talking. Now, mode 3-3, do you see this? Do you see ax squared plus bx plus C equals to 0. Okay, I'm referring to Casio model 95 SG. 96 SG should show you the same thing. Can I have a calculator? Oh, 97. Okay, okay. Can I have the 95, 96 one first? Then I go through 97 later. Now, shh, please. Here, here. Now, mode 3, you will see ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. You must have the ability to tell me what is the value of a, b, and c. Can I refer to this question? Can you tell me the value of a? A equals to what? 3. So can you press a equals to 3, b equals to 7, c equals to minus 6. Then you press equal again. What do you get? A equals to x equals to 2 over 3 or x equals to negative 3. Now, I'm going to show you how to from here, hey, please, if you lost it, then later on, you will ask me a lot of why. Okay, I'll go through every calculator model. Now, from here, hey, Orlando, take over. I very sick already. From here, you need to go back to here. How to get here? Now, look over this. First, I want to cross multiply. So can you write over 1? Hey, can you all pen down as well? So that later when you go back revise, you know what I'm talking about. Cross multiply means I have 3x equals to 2. Is that okay? Then, one more step. I need the right side to be 0. So what must I do to this? Bring over the 2. So both sides must do what? Minus. I want right side to be 0. Minus what? Minus 2. So do you see this? Huh? How do I get 3x equal to 2? Because the 1 times 2 will give you 2. The 3 times x will give you 3x. Remember the cross multiply? Now, this one is the answer for the first bracket. Now, I'm going to show you the second bracket. Look at this one now. X equals to minus 3. So what happened? I want the right side to be 0. What must I do both sides? Plus 3. So x plus 3 equals to 0. And therefore, this is the answer for this bracket. Where the minus 3 come from? It comes from your calculator. You press A equals to 3, B equals to 7, C equals to minus 6. You press equal, you get this. Press equal again, you get equal again. Do you get this? So understand this too? Can Next, I'm going to tell you all the different calculator, how to press the mode. Is that okay? So this one is for calculator 95, 96 for Casio. Yes. Now, but you cannot stop here. Now, this one, what is the final answer? You have to go back to, okay, so I show you the final answer first. Orlando say, teacher, can I stop here? Answer is no. From here, what must I do? You must write what? X is 3x. Okay, so from here, you must write down 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equals to 0. So what's the next step? 3x equals to 2, x equals to 2/3, x equals to minus 3. This is the answer. Do you follow? Jolie asked why is it plus 2 because this is minus 2 or no. I want to find x, so I don't want the minus 2 plus 2. Is that okay? So this is the final answer. Can I now show you the Casio 97? Casio 97, I use red color to tell you the model. This is 95 SG, 96 SG. I'm not talking about 97 SGX. Press shift plus menu plus 4. Wrong. Alright. Menu plus 5. Who is using 97 SG? Only one. Asha. So, menu plus 5, then press 2, then press 2, then you will see the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, sharp calculator. I don't know, that's why I need this. I need to see where is it hidden. Mode. Okay, for sharp calculator is mode 3, 4. Sorry, mode 3, 2. Then you will see A, B, C, you key in. Anyone using a different calculator? No. Okay, can everyone try this and see? I want you to have these two answers. Can everyone try now? Then 2/3 what? X equals to 2/3. Press equal again. X equals to negative 3. Okay, mode 2, 2. Yours is mode 2, 2. Then A, B, C. What is your model calculator? What is this model? WS315. W531S. 2. Mode. Setup. Change calculator. Change calculator. Change calculator. Yours cannot. You better change. Yeah, yours cannot. Hey, some calculator don't have this mode. You better change the calculator because this one everyone is using. The whole world is using. Nobody use cross method. I teach you cross method because I need you to understand why is it like that. But after today, no one is using cross method. But you can use cross method in the exam. Okay. So everyone okay? Can